Welcome to Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samajas KRT Arts BH Commerce and AM Science KTHM College Nasik. Myself Sampad Demse, working as Associate Professor in Department of Electronic Science. Dear student, we started chapter 2 instruction set. In this chapter the topics instruction set part 5 we are going to discuss in this video lecture. Every instruction consists of three fields: operation code, address of operand #1 and address of operand #2. According to operands, these instructions are classified into 5 groups, that is data transfer instruction, arithmetic instruction, logical instruction, bit oriented instruction, and branch instruction. Today we are going to discuss the increment instruction. The operation INC, increment, function increment register. Syntax is INC register. This instruction having description: increment, that is INC, is the value of register by 1 if the initial value of register is 255, that is 0 in hexadecimal FFH. Incrementing the value will cause it to reset to 0. This is the last value, and when we write increment instruction, execute increment instruction, then its value becomes 0. These are the instruction and their operation codes. Okay. Note that the carry flag is not set when the rollover from 255 to 0. In the case of increment DPTR, the value of 2 byte unsigned integer of DPTR incremented. If the initial value of DPTR is 65,535, that is FFF in hexadecimal, when incrementing the value will cause it to 0. So that is a rollover, this last to first. Again the carry flag is not set, though these things happens. Not set, the value of DPTR rollover from 65,535 to 0. So these are the instructions belongs to this instruction set. That is instruction INCA, the content of accumulator incremented by 1, having operation code 04. Flags not changes here, none of the flag change. Increment internal random access memory contained by 1, operation code is 05. Increment @R0, the content of random access memory indirectly pointed by R0 incremented by 1. So this is the having operation code 06. INC @R1, the content of random access memory indirectly pointed by R1 register, that is incremented by 1, having operation code 07H, and this is a 1 byte instruction. Increment R0, that is general purpose register content incremented by 1, and increment R1 increment the content of general purpose register R1 by 1. Result is again stored in R1 register. R2 register content incremented by 1 by using this instruction, having operation code 0AH, and similarly increment R7, the content of general purpose register R7 incremented by 1, having operation code 0FH. Increment DPTR is 16-bit register, and that content is incremented by 1, having operation code 9A3H. Let us discuss this instruction in detail one by one. Let us have first instruction INC, increment A, increment the accumulator by 1. A indicates accumulator. This instruction increment the value in accumulator by 1. If there is 0 in accumulator, the result of operation is 01H. syntax INC, addressing mode, register addressing mode, and PSW, program status word register, flag register not affected, not change. Let us suppose we are having INC instruction having operation code 04H, 1 byte instruction, flag is not affected. Before execution, 04H operation code stored in program memory, whose address is 0001H, and last address is 1FFFH for 4K memory. So the operation code, this program counter is a 16-bit register having address of next instruction, that is 0001H. Now this instruction, what is the content of accumulator? Accumulator is having suppose 1AH. So these are not affected. Random access memory 128 bytes. This bank also not affected. Carry flag also not changed. Only the content of accumulator change. So in this after execution, what will be the content of accumulator? So before execution, accumulator content is 1AH 0001 10101. So this is the binary format accumulator content 1AH, and when this instruction executed, it is increment by 1. So this is added in this previous data. So 0 plus 1 will be 1, 1 as it is, 0 as it is, 0 as it is. So whatever content will be there. So this 4 bits binary will be 1, and this 4-bit binary will be 1011 is B. So after execution, the content of accumulator is 1BH. Other things will not get changed. So this is the increment instruction once it execute. Increment IRA random access memory. Increment the internal random access memory by 1. INC, that is increment 36. This 36 gives the address of internal random access memory pointed by this 36H get incremented by 1. The instruction increment the value in internal random access memory by 1. If there is 0 in random access memory internal, then the result of operation will be 01H in decimal form. INC IRAM, that is internal random access memory, increment 36. 36 is the address of internal RAM. That content will be incremented by 1, like this. This is a direct addressing instruction, and flags are not changed. So this is the INC IRAM having operation code 05H. Before execution, 05H will be stored in program memory for their execution. Program counter gives the next instruction address. So content of accumulator 1AH suppose, but here this instruction only related with this random access memory. So here if we write 36, then 36 address content is 1BH. So the content of random access memory increment by 1. So it is like this. The random access memory content will be 1BH, that is 36 address content is 1BH. 1 will be 0001 in binary, and B will be 1011. So this is B and this is A. Get increment by 1. So this is the incremented, and after execution, so 1 plus 1 will be 0 here and carry 1. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, like this, 1, and other remains as it is. So what will be the content? The content of accumulator will be after execution will be so this is 0, 1 1 0 means C, and 1. So after execution it becomes 1CH. So this is the 1CH. This content get changed. Which content? Random access memory 128 bytes, 36 address content changes when INC 36 instruction executed. Okay, so this is the increment IRAM instruction. increment at the rate R0. Increment the internal register RAM by 1, whose address is indirectly pointed by R0 register. The instruction increment the value in internal random access memory by 1. If there is 0 in random access memory internal, then the result will be the operation is FF. So this will be FF incremented by 1. Syntax INC at the rate R0. Increment R0 content. Increment at the rate of R0. Content of random access memory. Internal random incremented by 1 and indirectly addressed by R0 register. This is register indirect addressing. No flags are changed, not affected. The instruction INC at the rate R0 having operation code 06 and byte 1, no flags affected. Before execution, the program memory having this operation code to the first address 000H and the program counter register having now 0001H content. So this is the content of program counter register. Before execution, now see, we need here PSW. Suppose that PSW's RS0 and RS1 both are 00, then bank 0 gets selected, and once this bank selected, the R0 having 78H. So this R0 gives the address of random access memory, and that content of random access memory is suppose 1AH, and now this is incremented by 1. This R0 gives the 78 as the address of random access memory. That content is incremented after execution. So after execution, what will be the content of this random access memory? The content will be 1BH. So this is 1AH 00001 1010 increment by 1. So this 1 plus 1 will be 1, and like this is 100 as it is B. So this content of which memory? Random access memory 78 now becomes, the content becomes 1BH. Here previously it was 1AH, and when it is executed 1BH. So in this way, increment instruction increment the value of random access memory whose address is pointed by R0 register. Increment DPTR by 1. So this is a instruction having description. The instruction increments the value of the 16-bit data pointer by 1. This is the only 16-bit register upon which this operation can be performed. INC DPTR, increment DPTR register by 1. Content of DPTR register incremented by 1. Register addressing, no flags are affected. Let us suppose this instruction having operation code AH, increment DPTR, A3H, and 1 byte instruction, none of the flags affected. Before execution, A3 will be in program memory for the execution, and the content of program counter now 0001H, and that instruction get to be executed. Previous content of this will be suppose, so DPTR, lower byte of DPTR, DPL lower byte, that is 89H, and DP higher byte is 90 suppose. When this instruction executed, so this will be your 9, and this is 0, this is 8, and this is 9, incremented by 1. So the answer will be like this: 1 plus 1 will be 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1, then 0, these bits remains as it is. What will be the value here? Only this is increment by 1, means this 9 becomes A here, and other bits are This is 10008, 00000, 1001 means 9. So in after execution, DPTR content only change. So lower byte becomes 8AH and upper bytes remains as it is 90H. So before execution it is like this, and after execution it is like this. So this is the before execution. This content was the before execution. This is after execution, the content of DPTR. Now next instruction we are going to discuss, that is decimal address accumulator. Description: this instruction adjusts the content of accumulator to the corresponding BCD number after two BCD numbers have been added by ADD or ADC instruction. The result in the form of two 4-bit BCD number is stored in accumulator. So this instruction always executed after add or add with carry. Now this instruction having the mnemonic syntax DAA, decimal address accumulator. This instruction DA means a decimal address, and the decimal address after addition instruction is designed to correct the BCD addition problem. The decimal address instruction will add 6 to the lower nibble or higher nibble if needed. The example as given in here, it clears the idea related with this instruction. MOV A, 36. The 36 is immediately moved in accumulator register, that is the BCD operand 36. Move A, hash 24. 24 is a BCD number directly loaded in B register. ADD A, B. Content of 36 and content of B register added. Result will be stored in B register. 36H plus 24H. Our answer will be 5AH when we add this number. So this number, lower nibble and upper nibble. So 5 is less than 6. A is greater than 6. So 6 is added in here in this number, lower byte. So this DA instruction, decimal address accumulator for BCD addition at lower nibble bits, that is 5A plus 06. So when we add this in this number, so answer will be now 60, and therefore so this gives us a 6 and this is 0. After correcting by the DA instruction, what will be the answer? 60 will be the answer. So this decimal DA instruction works only on accumulator. The source can be operand of any addressing mode, but destination must be in the accumulator register. BCD operation can never have any digit greater than 9. So DA instruction must always be used after the addition of BCD operations. The digit A, B, C, D, E, F are not allowed in BCD. The DA instruction only work after DA instruction, addition instruction. DA instruction will not work after increment or decrement. Now the working of DA instruction. DA instruction is used after ADC and ADD and ADC instruction. Add 0110 in binary or 60 in lower nibble of 4-bit if lower nibble of 4-bit is greater than 9, or if the auxiliary carry flag is 1, AC is 1, to correct the BCD problem. Add 0110 in binary or 6 in upper nibble 4-bit if the upper nibble of 4-bit is greater than 9, or if auxiliary carry flag is set, ACY is set to correct the BCD problem. The only use of this auxiliary carry AC flag bit when BCD addition or correction occurs. Now here simple example we are having 40 this is 28H0010 binary 2 and 81000. 27 added in this 0010, this is 2 and 7 means 0111 in binary form. When this is added, 0 plus 0 will be 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 0, 1 plus 1 will be 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 plus 0 will be 1, 0 plus 0 will be 0. So this is 4 and this is what? F. So this 4 upper nibble will be less than 9. So there will be no change. But this lower nibble is greater than 9. So 6 is added here. When we add 6, then answer will be 1 plus 0 will be 1. 1 plus 1 will be 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1 will be 0 and carry 1. So this gives us what? 1. 0 plus 0 plus will be 1 and other bits remains at 0, carry 1. So this gives us what? As it is 5 and this 5. So this is the answer is 55. म्हणजे आपण बायनरी मध्ये suppose we execute this to 8 and to 7. So this is decimal number to 8 and this is decimal number to 7. The answer will be what? 55. And in this way we get the answer of 55 in accumulator. And this is the addition of what? The two BCD number here. And the correct answer is 55H. And therefore this is the use of DA instruction in this. Thank you. What we studied in this video lecture, we saw that the increment instruction in register addressing, increment instruction in register indirect addressing, and increment register with DPTR. And again we saw the decimal adjust accumulator instruction. Thank you, student. If you have any questions, contact on mail ID samparkdemse57@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 9860389302. Thank you very much.